It's your boy. Oh yeah, shout out to the werewolf gang. Much love to the light. Shout out to all of my subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all. Believe me when I say I appreciate y'all, man. It means a lot to me for y'all to watch my videos, so subscribe to my channel, take the time, and bless me with your presence. I appreciate that. But with that being said, man, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, because I got plenty of videos, man. Plenty of videos. Go check out, browse my content. With that being said, bam! We're gonna ride on them bikes today, me and my fiance. We're gonna ride on these bikes today. We're gonna pull them on out the garage. They've been in the garage all summer chilling, man. We really don't ride these machines. If I keep it all the way real, probably was a big old waste of money, tell you the truth. We don't even ride these damn things. Nice bikes, and we just let them sit in the garage and collect dust. But with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and get straight to it, man. Jump on the bikes and ride around a little bit, have a little bit of fun, you know. And I'll see y'all when I'm on the bike.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never be alone.
Ain't been on the bike in a while. That was rough. Watch yourself behind you. Huh? That's road, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna follow you. I know my hair look a mess. Motherfucking mosquito on my neck. I thought that bad boy was loose. I thought that bad boy was loosey-goosey. Man, look at these little kids acting a fool out here in the streets. Just cruising around in somebody's neighborhood. This video just for my peeps, man, that wonder if I ever ride my bike. Yeah, I do sometimes. Like, damn, is she gonna ship that motherfucker or what? Woo! I could have took off on that one. Yeah, for y'all that wonder, do I ever ride the bike, man? Yeah, I ride the bike occasionally. Occasionally I ride the bike, but I really don't like to ride it as much because it's dangerous. It's much more dangerous than it used to be. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stop saying, you know what I'm saying. I gotta stop saying that. But yeah, I don't ride it as much as I used to because people don't be seeing you for some reason. Yeah, people don't see you. They're not looking for you. And I ain't trying to get killed on you know, on some not paying attention type shit. I mean, I love my bike, but I'm thinking about selling both of them. Ooh, I got a net in my mouth. Yeah, I'm thinking about selling this bad boy. Cause I don't even ride it as much as I should. You know what I'm saying? It's a powerful, fast bike. It ain't the fastest bike in the world, but it's one of them. And then my fiance ahead of me, you know, she don't really ride her bike either. So for those who don't know who my fiance is, her name is All Things Christine. Go subscribe to her channel. I'll leave a link in the description. as well as something around here so you can know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we think about getting rid of these bikes. I'm just out here having fun, make a little quick little video. Let y'all know, man, I do ride my bike sometimes. But it's just dangerous, man. Fun though, still fun. But I really don't have nobody to ride with. And also, this motherfucker ain't comfortable like I thought it was. This bike is definitely not comfortable like that. When I first got it, I liked it, but it ain't really that comfortable. Ooh, we got the Challenger in their garage. But yeah, it ain't as comfortable as it used as I thought it was. I should have just got a straight up crotch rocking instead of a naked street bike. Man, he got the German Shepherd. If the German Shepherd would have got loose, I would have dipped on him. I'd have gave him all of these CCs. All of these I really don't like to shift down to gear 1. My bike funny style like that. That motherfucker throw itself in neutral. If you know what I mean. Punk fag motherfucker didn't even wave at me. I should have gave him one of these. You know what I'm saying? Instead of one of these. It is what it is. But yeah, man, I love this bike. I just don't know if I should keep it no more, man, because I really don't be riding it like that. Yeah, something like someone's biting me on my neck, like I got a little baby spider on my neck or something. My fiance, believe it or not, that bike up there only got like 800 miles on it, and we had the motherfucker for 3 years. She got 800 miles on that bike, and we had that motherfucker for 3 years. That's crazy. That's crazy. My bike only got what, 1,700 miles on it? 1,765? That ain't a lot of miles at all. Yeah, we really don't ride these motherfuckers like that. So I figured I'd give y'all a quick little spin around the block, you know what I mean? Quick little spin, you feel me?